Hello everyone, welcome to my first Python tutorial. Also, it's an assignment for the technical art course. The assignment requiring us to using for loop to create a script for Maya. So I thought, why not making a keyframe retraction tool? Enough talking, let's begin. So the first step is to import the Maya command library, and also we need a random library for Python. Then we're gonna create a UI for our script. So we add a if statement to determine whether the UI has been created. It was created, then we delete it and then create another one. Then we need to use the window command to create a window, and then show the window. After that, create a column layout to be the main layout. All the information will be parented in this main layout. By the way, for some IDE, it doesn't have the Maya command syntax, so let's open up the Maya Python command API, where you can check every Maya command syntax. The link will be in the description below. Okay, for a simple UI, it basically consists of some often used command like text field, separator, button, and all kinds of layout. For the button, it will need to specify a function in the script. Then, when the button is clicked, the function that specified before will be executed. Here comes the most important part, the actual function itself. The first one will be the getSelection function. It will return the active selection in Maya, whether it is a model or a controller, basically anything that are selected. The next function is very simple. It only takes a change text field command, and then assign the mesh to the variable and display the name and the mesh amount. After that, we need to make a function to toggle the random interval on and off, which use a random number between a certain range. And for the active button, the principle behind this function is fairly simple. We just copy the frame and repeat it in the interval frame. The last few functions are some little method to make sure the activate function works. For example, if the interval time is beyond the last frame, it will stop and return nothing. And other functions like checking whether the key that put in the function is valid, or just output a random number. Okay, this is how the script works in Maya.